this Navratri in the Instagram sale, I bought these things. So there's a brand called Saira. This is a Chennai-based brand where they sell these diyas and handmade jewelry, some natural powders, and these all these things are done by the special children. So let me just unbox this and show you how the diyas are. You can see the packing also, it's very nice and it is packed very safely. I have ordered this to Chandigarh and nothing has happened and everything is safe, as you can see. So these are the different pairs of diyas, and the cost of two pairs, I mean a pair of diya is 35 rupees. It's not very expensive as well, so you will get it at home and it is very nice. I even ordered some gift boxes from there. So these are the two gift boxes. You can see the gift box packing also, it's very nice. I'll unbox both and show you how the packing is. You can see and you can even try buying them. You can gift this and it is very nice. So this is the tanner's powder. The cost of the tanner's powder uh, is 185 rupees and this is 75 grams. So you can look, this is the glass jar and you can see how nicely it is packed. The instruction is how to use this is all will be given by uh, the contact person that I'll be sharing in the description box. You can contact her if you're really interested in buying this. This is the rose powder. Actually, let me just tell you, the gift box also you can make your own boxes. She has multiple varieties of boxes. This is the box that I liked, so I bought this. This is the kasturi turmeric powder. The cost of this is 225 rupees for 50 grams, and it is with a pouch. You can see that it is completely packed. I ordered this jewelry. She has many jewelry options as well, but this one I liked it. As you can see this is so beautiful, nicely put, and this is the earrings with it. The cost of this is just 5.99, and you can use it with multiple dresses. Then I have even got these pouches. You can see it has the Saira logo in it, and these are the two pouches where you can keep these jars in it, or you can use it for any other purpose. So this is all are there in the box. So I'm unboxing this box. You saw the other box right before. So this is still packed. You can see how nicely the packing is done. So this is all put in the cars properly so that no damage will be done to this. Even in this, I have the same things like tanner's powder, rose petal powder, but you can see the packing is done so nicely. And the jewelry here is different. So let me just show you the jewelry that is different here. So as you can see, this is the earrings and this is the necklace. So this has a small peacock and the design is very nice. It's a metal design. You can even make changes. She has given this extra so that you can alter the necklace as you want. So this is the other one. The cost of this jewelry is also 5.99. She has a wide range of jewelry options. You can choose from that and you can select whichever you like. So I'll share all the details of hers in the description box. You can contact her and buy these things. It's really very nice. You can try it at least once so that you will know how good the product is. So this is what it is all about. Thank you.